All right, let me start by clearing the air up. People are getting confused. We're talking about a lot of things going on all the channels that I work on. Um, as you guys know, Burger Wars, we're giving away a pit barrel cooker, okay, on Burger Wars. And they subscribe to Fishhook to win it. And as soon as we start the Burger Wars, the first week in June, we're going to draw a name from one of our subscribers. We've already announced that. You guys have already subscribed. If you haven't, get over to Fishhook and subscribe right away. This is a second promotion. Are you ready? We're going to be celebrating. We broke 1,000 subscribers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. So why don't you tell them what we're going to do for breaking 1,000 subscribers?
Well, we're going to have a surprise giveaway. Yes, a Blackstone griddle. Jack and I are going to give that away for hitting and exceeding 1,000 subscribers. So we're well on our way.
So let me get this straight. So me and you are going to go to the store and buy it and then ship it to whoever the winner is, right?
Absolutely. This is no promotion by no manufacturer.
No.
Not endorsed or paid from anybody. This is us saying thank you to our subscribers,
right,
for putting us where we are now and where we intend to go.
And how can people enter to win the Blackstone griddle?
Oh, it's real easy. You've got to subscribe to Fishhook 19.
Awesome.
YouTube.com/Fishhook. If you, 19 that is, I'm sorry. If you subscribe to that, you're eligible for that drawing for the Blackstone.
We'll have a link down below, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then I want to be real clear also, me and you are going to be reviewing the Blackstone griddle coming up in a future episode of Fishhook, right?
Yes, we're going to do an unboxing after we pick it up. And I know what I'll be doing. It's me with the tools. I'll be putting this thing together. And
I'll be rooting you on, buddy.
I know. I got my own fan over here.
Clap with one hand. I got it all right?
We're going to put it together.
Then we talked about doing fish fajitas, right?
Fish fajitas. And I'm going to be supplying all that beautiful fish from the Gulf.
Nice. Okay, so we got everything going. The friends of our show are going crazy right now because they're already, if you're already subscribed to Fishhook already, you've gone over there and subscribed, you're in the drawing. So all of you will randomly pick somebody out of subscribers. We just want to celebrate and say thank you for subscribing. So we broke 1,000. We're very excited. We wanted to give something.
Oh, yeah.
Show you our thanks, okay? All right. And in fact, I'll let you you'll get to pick the name, okay?
Okay, I'll be glad.
And I'll trust it's random and I won't get involved at all. But it's all good. If you haven't watched Fishhook, check it out. It's cooking, it's fishing, it's a little bit of everything, but the main thing about the channel is it's seafood.
Absolutely.
And that's all that matters.
Yeah, well, it's good for you.
All right, so now run over there and subscribe or click the link down below and subscribe. We love you guys. Take care.
Take care.